Assalamualaikum. My name is Haika and I am from grade 10. I am going to explain you my model of kidney and its excretory system. Let me tell you what is excretory system. It is a removal of all tonics and metabolic waste products from the body. The kidneys are dog red shaped organs on either side of your spine, below the ribs and behind your belly. The left kidney is little higher than right kidney. Each kidney is 10 cm long, 5 cm wide, 4 cm thick and weighs about 120 grams. The kidney job is to filter the blood, they remove waste and keeps the body fluid balanced. Kidney cleans the blood with digestive fluid enters into kidney and it gets filtered by the kidney. The remaining unwanted waste is converted into urine and it is sent to urinary bladder and through urethra, waste material is excreted out the body. Now I can tell you what is ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. Ureter is the two long tubes that drainage into urinary bladder and urinary bladder is for the storage of urine for short and long term. And through urethra, urine is excreted out the body. Now I can show how kidneys function work. Thank you for your attention and interest.